everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the 2026 Toyota RAV4, the bold, electrified next generation of one of Toyota's most iconic SUVs. This isn't just a facelift, it's a real evolution. At first glance, the 2026 RAV4 keeps its familiar silhouette, but looks sharper and more deliberate. The body sits a little taller, wheel arches are more defined, and it comes in three styles: the everyday core, the rugged woodland, and the sporty GR Sport. The woodland trim leans into adventure with bigger roof rails, protective cladding, and tires for off-road use. The GR Sport adds a racing-inspired touch with sportier suspension, a wider track, and enhanced steering feel. Inside, the cabin is modern and tech-focused. There's a 12.3-inch digital driver cluster and a touchscreen starting at 10.5 inches. With select trims offering a 12.9-inch display, Toyota's new software provides smoother infotainment, frequent updates, and integration with safety and driving systems. Physical climate knobs are replaced by digital controls, and the center console offers clever storage. Materials range from fabric to soft faux leather, with ultra-suit-on sportier trims. An available 9-speaker JBL audio system ensures crisp sound under the hood. The 2026 RAV4 is fully hybrid. You can choose a self-charging hybrid HEV or a plug-in hybrid PHEV. The HEV produces 226 horsepower FWD and 236 horsepower AWD. The PHEV delivers 320 horsepower with a WD and around 50 miles of pure electric driving. Some trims support DC fast charging, going from 10% to 80% in about 30 minutes. The driving experience is improved thanks to a reinforced TNG AK platform, tuned suspension, and upgraded steering and braking systems. The hybrid AWD reaches 0 to 60 miles per hour in 7.1 seconds, while the PHEV hits 0 to 60 in 5.2 seconds. Fuel economy is strong, with hybrids around 44 mpg and the PHEV in the high 30s to low 40s combined. Certain AWD models tow up to 3,500 pounds. Safety is comprehensive with Toyota Safety Sense 4.0, including automatic emergency braking, lane keeping, blind spot monitoring, and advanced parking assist features. Cargo volume is slightly increased, over 700 liters in some trims. Without sacrificing interior space, what makes the 2026 RAV4 special is its shift to fully electrified powertrains, balancing efficiency, power, and utility. Whether you want a daily driver, weekend adventurer, or sporty SUV, there's a trim for you. The design is rugged but refined, the ride is smooth, and the tech is modern without feeling overwhelming. If I were choosing today, the PHEV would be my pick for fast charging capability. But even the hybrid is excellent for efficiency and reliability. That's my take. Comment below, would you go for the hybrid or the plug-in version? And which trim would you pick? Core, Woodland, or GR Sport? Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.